New on Binomo is Dynamic Range Trading or DRT. What is it? DRT is a type of trading that allows you to open trades based on the movement of the asset price within a certain range. It differs from FTT in that you don't choose the price direction, but a range instead. For example, you see the price of an asset fluctuating within a certain range. Your task is to determine whether it will stay within that range or go beyond it within 1 minute. And that's with minimal risk for your strategies. Why should you try DRT? You can trade on two mechanics at the same time. For example, DRT can be combined with FTT. That means you're hedging your risks and grabbing profitable trades on the same asset. Second, the mechanics of it are simple. All you need to do is select a range and open a trade. The format is as clear and user-friendly as possible for beginners. And high profit rates. The profit percentage on DRT can be up to 90%. How to use DRT? It's simple. Go to the Binomo trade room. Click on the DRT ticker and then select an asset to trade. Two lines will appear on the chart to form a price corridor. This is the range within which the price should stay. Once you are confident in your forecast, enter the trade amount and open your position. The trade time is automatically fixed for 60 seconds. If your trade is successful, you will make a profit of up to 90%. However, it is important to keep some limitations in mind. DRT can only be used on a real account and only in the web version of the platform. If you trade on Binomo from your phone, open the platform in your mobile browser. Another point is that you can make only one trade at a time. There is also no time frame selection. A trade lasts exactly 60 seconds. Also, there is only one asset available for DRT trading, CRY IDX. Lastly, trading signals and majority opinion are not available for this trading. Dynamic range trading is not only a great way to try something new in trading, but also an opportunity to combine strategies for better results. Try DRT right now on the Binomo platform and open up new horizons in trading.